Hi, it's Rena with another mini tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can put down stickers and images behind text and handwriting, especially when that text is already down on the page. So to show you an example, let's say I want to put this sticker behind these tick boxes here. So if I copy that, my problem is that sticker is going to go over the handwriting. So I'm just going to show you what you need to do to put this sticker behind the writing. So first of all, you just position this sticker wherever you want it to go. And then if you go to the lasso tool at the top here, and then make sure you've got handwriting selected on and images selected off. And then just draw the selection around your text. And then tap within the selection and then do cut, and then long press down on the page, paste. Now you can see that when you put this over the image, now the sticker goes behind it. I hope that's been useful, and thank you for watching.